Today we're going to talk about USB device inventory, otherwise known as external devices. So as we all know, Stratusphere has a huge amount of information, and just last year one of our customers asked us if we could add in the USB keys that's now available in the base product, allowing me to get the vendor ID and product ID of all the USB devices. That does include docking stations, anything that can be plugged in across a USB port inside the system. So think about the different type devices out there: hard drives, docking stations, headsets, power mics, badge scanners, which models, which devices, and in some cases even which BIOS level is on those particular devices. So under Stratusphere, under the report section and fit report machines, you will see three different reports: device details, details by user group and machine group, and device summary, which is really just a summary of the different type of devices out there, not listed by individual machines. Here's an example of one of the outputs of it. Got the machine name, device type, device name, what is it, who's the manufacturer, vendor ID, and product ID. There's huge databases out there on the internet to help you define and understand what these vendor IDs and product IDs are. And we may eventually be building this into our system, but as usual, there is no one database that's available that I've been able to find where all the vendor IDs and product IDs are out there. So we will try to combine as much as possible into a single one to help you better identify the type devices that are out there plugged into your network. Now, this could be used purely for inventory purposes. Some of my customers are also using this as well for the security purposes. So assuming I have lockdown information on my system so that I can't plug in a USB device into my platform, but somehow somebody does actually manage to plug it in, it's able to get in the system, Microsoft Windows still tracks it. So this would allow you for that security purpose as well. Thank you very much.